Hi, we are Miss Bobby, myself, Ryan, Dan, and Ann. We invite you to join us in learning processes to talk openly and productively to address systemic and structural racism. You'll also learn mind and body centered practices to strengthen and sustain you in this crucial work.
Many struggle to know what to do and how to respond to the challenging issues faced since 2020. How do you address race and talk about what is happening daily with your peers, or develop plans for your employees and community, or work together as teams?
During this 3-day training, you will learn simple yet powerful practices that enable courageous engagement, shared intelligence, and creative approaches to bring back to your organization and address the system change needed.
Is this for you? Are you ready to have deep conversation and develop skills to seek ways to address systemic racism? Join us and leave feeling empowered and ready to create change in your organizations and community.